What's up everyone, my name is D and you're now tuned into New Touch Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this tail light from the hatch door of your Mercedes Benz. Throughout this video, I'll show you all the tools needed in order to complete this process. If you're interested and you would like to know how to remove this part of the tail light, check out that video up top. We're going to start out by opening your hatch door. Now the process has already begun, but I'll explain everything throughout this video. So I did not have to remove this portion of the panel to take off the top layer, but I'll explain later in this video why you should. Here's the top layer of the panel, and it's not as hard as it seems to remove. We're going to use a plastic trim tool to help us do the job. You're going to start at the top side of the panel. Once you pry it away, you'll begin to hear the release of the clips behind it. Those clips, they're connected to this hole. These holes are across the entire back portion of this body panel. Now here you will find there are blue clips connected on the back side of the panel. In these two areas here, you'll notice that two clips are missing. Sometimes the clips will still be on the body panel. If you look at the top side, you'll notice that the blue clips are connected here. You want to take your plastic trim tool and you want to get underneath this clip. You don't want to go on the top side because you can break this clip. If you don't have a special tool to release them, you want to go underneath. You want to prop it open enough just so you can get underneath this clip. And then you will pry it away. After releasing that clip, you want to place it right back into the panel, slide it in like so. On the back side of the light, you'll notice that there's an 8mm bolt connecting it to the panel. There's also the panel on the side that you'll have to remove in order to slide that light out. Force that panel in a downward motion and it'll release from the section. Before removing that light, you'll need to disconnect the wire connections located here. You want to take your thumb, press down on that tab, and pull the wire connections away. This white bracket will remain as you separate the light from the tailgate. You've now successfully removed your tailgate light. Here are some important guidelines to replacing the panel back together. Here's the reason why this lower portion of the panel should be removed. If you take a look at these 4 holes located here, I'll explain the importance of them shortly. Take a look at these 2 areas with the hook design on the back side of the panel. Both are designed to hook inside of these 2 holes located here. These 4 prongs are designed to go in those 4 holes mentioned earlier in this video. In order to remove the lower portion panel, you'll need to dislocate both handles on each side. To remove the lower portion panel, you'll need to take a pair of grip pliers, squeeze on these clips, and pull down as you do so. You'll notice that there are 2 different style clips. There's a pair of clips here, and they belong on the end of the handle. The smaller clips, they belong to the longer panel, and they go in the inside, and there's a slot that you slide them into here. There are 4 total. Place the clips for the handle back into its slot right before installing. Install the top panel first. Align both hooks on each side and slide them down. After doing so, you're going to align the blue clips on the outside of the panel into place. Apply pressure until everything clicks into its section. Before installing the lower portion, You want to be sure that the clips for the handles are located in their correct position. This will allow you to properly place the handle back together. Double check to make sure that all 8 clips are in their correct position. Align the panel and apply pressure from the outside. You've now completed the process of placing your panels back together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more of our vehicle tutorials. Thanks for watching.